this is now the green curry, guys. Looks like, and this is a Thailand food. So we tried to make also, guys. So today, guys, we're gonna go cook a green curry. So here's my ingredients. We have a chicken thigh and breast mix, and then here is my chicken curry paste and coconut. Then we have a eggplant. So here's now, guys, we add the green paste curry. The oil is hot already, so we add the chicken thigh with them. Wow, damn, that smells so great. So we can add the chicken breast now, guys. I put last because the chicken breast is so fast to cook, and so that will not tough or hard one. So we just put some minutes to simmer so that the breast will cook. So this is now the green curry, guys. Looks like, and this is a Thailand food. So we tried to make also, guys. Yeah, this is a nice, yummy, delicious, guys. It's a perfect for rice. Eat with rice. And yes, I write down the full recipe under the description box below. Just check it there if you wanna try, guys. And yes, so please give thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. Thank you, guys. This is NG. See you soon. Bye.